everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to export multiple charts, pictures, or shapes to graphics with Kutools for Excel. With the export graphics utility of Kutools for Excel, you can export multiple charts, pictures, or shapes at once in Excel. Click Kutools plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click the Import and Export drop-down list and select Export Graphics. In the Export Graphics dialog box, all of the charts, pictures, and shapes have been listed in the left list box. Uh, Specify the type that you want to export. Then click this button to specify a directory to save the exported graphics. Click the OK button. At the same time, you can choose the format of the pictures from the export format as you need, such as GIF, JPEG, TIF, or PNG. Then click the OK button. All the charts, pictures, and shapes have been exported to the specified location successfully. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.